Allah's timing might be sooner than you think. Be ready. The bad news is they broke your trust. The good news is Allah never breaks His promises. The bad news is you are just dying for having something. And the good news is Allah has invited you to tahajjud for granting you what you want. The bad news is you're waiting. The good news is Allah will send a miracle. The bad news is they hurted you. The good news is Allah handles everything and we don't need to worry. The bad news is you have sinned. The good news is Allah forgives each and every sins. Just repent. The bad news is you want to give up. The good news is with Allah, you can do anything and no one can beat you. The bad news is you're going through hard times. The good news is Allah has promised you the ease after hardship. The bad news is you're losing hope. The good news is Allah is in control, and He says you to trust Him. If you made it to the end, the next slides is meant for you. You are waiting for the drop, and He is preparing the sea for you. People of patience have beautiful endings. Comment Ameen if you believe it. If this video is helpful, then like it and subscribe it. Save these reminders for when you need them.